Hi guys, welcome to my channel. That's Snake Cube Master, as you all know. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a snake using Snake Cube. Yeah, I know it's rhyming. This one is also my favorite, but this might be a little complicated because you might get confused in some moves. And I'm repeating, we have started a new service that's editing videos, and there's 50% discount for our subscribers, and so there's nothing else to say other than thanks to all my subscribers. So let's get started. Yeah, we are here now. So we are going to use the same tricks as we used for Snake Cube ball, pen stand, and the bow or fidget spinner, the same thing, but there's a big difference here. That is, we usually take this piece and turn it around like this and do, but this time it's not going to be like that. Instead, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take the fifth piece and turn it like this, and we take the second piece and turn it like this. See, you have got it like this. Now you might have guessed the next move. Yeah, it's correct. We take the black one and turn like this. See, then we take this, turn like this, turn like this, and we turn like this, and keep it like this for now. Then we take this piece and turn like this, then the second piece and turn like this, then 1, 2, this piece. See, then the same thing, lock. Now we go here and see it's like this. Now take it like this. We get it as if it's a stick. Now we'll take it from here. See, we have done like this. Now we take it like this. These are optional, or otherwise you can do it something like this, but I don't prefer it. I prefer like this. So take it like this, then this, then we take it like this, then we'll turn like this. See, we have got the same pattern here. Now we turn down like this, then like this, and then like this. See, the snake is ready. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel if you are not subscribed yet, and click the bell icon for our latest videos, and follow us on Instagram for the competitions we release each week and win amazing prize. And I'm reminding you once again, we have started a new service for our subscribers with 50% discount for our subscribers. So see you in the next one.